My name's Heather Payne. I'm a consultant paediatrician and I work advising the Welsh Government as a senior medical officer for maternal and child health for Wales. There's been concern coming up since December last year about this new variant of coronavirus, and the concerns that we have with this new variety of virus is that it is more infectious than the original, what we're calling wild type virus. That is an additional risk for everybody, for every age group, in every context. But the good news and the important thing to remember is that all the basic, simple measures that we've always recommended, they work for this new variant just as well as for the previous type. So we still have to be very, very careful around social distancing wherever that's possible, hand washing, hand sanitizing, and also using face coverings and ventilation of rooms in order that we're not sharing air. The question that everybody wants to hear the answer to is, are schools safe places for our staff and especially for our children? It's important to remember that we are able to control the environment in schools. Staggered starts, one-way systems, surface hygiene, so they're not sharing surfaces like books and pieces of paper, that there is sanitizing, there is hand hygiene, and including keeping children in smaller bubbles so that if there is any spread, then it is limited to a small number of children. And the evidence that we have, those bubbles are working. We have very, very few outbreaks associated with schools, and we know that children are most likely to get the infection from their own household. It's difficult for everybody, but those are the things that will help us steer a course between the risks and the benefits of children being in school.